Hello boys and girls, welcome to the second part of our organization lesson. For this part, we're going to create folders. Folders where you put your schoolwork in so you know exactly where to find them. Okay, so how do we create folders on our desktop? On our desktop, you're going to take your mouse, you're going to right click, you can right click on your mouse pad as well, and you're going to find all these options. You're going to go down all the way to third from last where we see new, because we're going to create a new folder. If you keep your cursor on here and just slide across, then it's going to stay there. Okay, now we're going to go to the top where we find folder and click on that. Once this little folder has popped up, we're going to change the name where it is highlighted in blue. You can just say backspace. And then we're going to name our folder VCS Schoolwork. If you haven't guessed it already, this is where we're going to keep our schoolwork for the year. Okay, now we have this folder. We can move it around. You just click on it and hold the button in. You can move it anywhere you want. I'm going to move mine there so it's nice and neat. Okay, double click on this new folder so you can go in and it's going to pop up this little window. Now we are in this window and I want to create more folders inside this folder so it can be extra neat and you can know exactly where to find your work. How do we create a new folder in here? You can either do the same, you can right click, go to new and choose folder. But there's an easier way. You can go up there. At the top in your taskbar, there is an option that says new folder. So you just click on there. Like a nice shortcut. Okay. Now where it's highlighted again, we're going to make a folder named 2021 for last year's work. We're going to create another folder. And we're going to name that 2022 for this year. Now we can put all last year's work into the top one and all this year's work into the bottom one. Let's go into 2021. There's nothing in here yet, so I want to create folders for each subject. So let's start with English. There we have a folder for English. We can have a folder for Allo. We can have a folder for Maths. And let's say, what else? Afrikaans. And so forth. So I want you to make folders for all of your subjects. So all of the subjects you have is going to have a folder in here. Then to go back to the other folder, you can go to this little arrow and click on there. And you're going to find yourself back here. So let's go into 2022, this year's work. And we're also going to create folders for this year's work. So English. Let's make Afrikaans. Maths and so forth. Okay, when all of your subjects are in here, then you can go to click next on Canvas and see what task I have for you today. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.